Today I'm going to show you how we can convert an Excel web page into PDF. There are so many information in the website and we want to convert this into some file. So the best option is PDF. So how can we convert this web page information into a PDF? So I was just trying to do this with Excel functions. I was just wanted to make a list of Excel functions which can be useful in day-to-day life. So instead of going back again and again to the website, it's better to keep this in a PDF format. So I was looking for that option. So today I found it and let's do it. So you have to open this website ilovepdf.com. There may be other website also. You can try this one. Go to this HTML to PDF. Click here and then you copy this URL. Just copy it and add the HTML page here and then edit. You need to wait for some more time. It will extract all the information and then will convert into PDF. Okay, so before you convert in this, you please ensure that this is unchecked. One long page, this is unchecked, otherwise all the information will be loaded in one single page. So you uncheck it, this one you uncheck it, and then also put this too, remove the overlay pop-ups. Okay, then let's do it. So it has almost converted. You can open, you can download it, and you can use it. That's how we can convert an Excel means web page into a PDF file. Thank you. Please give a like even if you don't subscribe. Thank you.